into a private premise.
Which I'm quite allowed to do.
No, you're not.
Really? Can you cite that law for me?
You're not allowed to shoot.
Can you cite me that law?
I just told you it's akin to peeping and peering.
Am I being detained?
This public area here.
Am I being detained,
I'm telling you to
sir?
stay here until I.
Am I being detained or am I free to go?
You're not free to go.
Then am I being detained, sir?
I have the right to see your driver's license.
I have the right to know why I'm being detained without delay. Can you give me reasonable articulated suspicion as to why you're detaining me, sir?
G'day everybody. Well, for those that don't like to read, I don't mind reading it out for you. So here we go. Dear Mr. Keane, complaint against police.
You're a disgrace, mate. IPCA complaint to you, buddy.
File number 150929/4660. I am writing in respect of the above complaint related to the issues that you raised in regards to your interactions with Sergeant Brian Leslie outside the Henderson police station on the 24th of September 2015. Specifically, you have complained about being spoken to by Sergeant Leslie and being accused of peeping and peering.
Good. The reason I've stopped you, I just noticed that you're filming some
You haven't
footage
stopped
through
me.
here.
Okay.
It's almost akin to peeping and peering.
Pardon me?
It's almost akin to peeping and peering.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Being detained and having your privacy breached.
Can I have your identification, please?
My name is Brian Leslie, Sergeant at the Waitakere Police Station.
Okay, and for what purpose do you need my identification for? Excuse me, sir. Sergeant? What purpose do you need my identification for?
I've already asked you for your identification.
For what purpose, sir? Do you suspect me of committing a crime?
I'm not going to ask you again.
Or what do you mean you're not going to ask me again? What does that mean?
My investigation into your complaint reveals that there is no basis to consider you were peeping and peering.
The reason I'm speaking to you is because I've noticed you're shooting some footage through there.
Yeah.
There's private premises over there, so
It's public property where I am,
shooting
aren't
into a private premise.
Okay.
It's almost akin to peeping and peering.
Pardon me?
It's almost akin to peeping and peering.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
And that strictly speaking, there is little to no expectation of privacy when considering the rear car park area of the Henderson police station. I also determined that Sergeant Leslie acted appropriately when he approached and spoke to you and requested your driver's license under the Land Transport Act.
If they right under the Land Transport Act,
Well,
they'll
we
get your
know
license.
what they want. They want.
There's a driver's license right there, sir. You can see that from there. No, I'm not going to give it to you. You can see it from there. Of course you can.
They don't want people.
As per our conversation, I had made it common knowledge at the Henderson police station of the findings in relation to any perceived expectation of privacy. This matter has now been conciliated and no further action will be taken by police. A copy of this letter will be forwarded to the Independent Police Conduct Authority. The authority is entirely independent of the police. And it's signed from Matt Laurenson, Senior Sergeant, Response Manager, Henderson Police, Waitakere District. So, pretty fucking simple really, isn't it? Bear in mind, he, as he said, the reason I stopped you and then corrected, the reason I'm speaking to you is because I was filming. He didn't stop and speak to me because of any traffic offence. Okay? So he had to go and stoop to using the Land Transport Act to obtain my person's details. Because if he was just saying peeping and peering, he was fucked. He wasn't going to get them. It is only because he mentioned the Land Transport Act that I supplied the person's details for him to view. Didn't give him anything. It's mine. He's not having it. And yeah, real simple. Anyway, have a great day. There's your evidence to all those people that say that that's a private car park and all the rest. Go fuck yourselves. This and they say otherwise. Stick that up your ass and see how it rotates. Bye!